Dear children, we learnt about reading time from the clock and reading date from the calendar in our previous sessions. Today, we are going to apply subtraction operation on the dates. Using this subtraction operation, we are going to find the age of any person or a product's validity. Age, வயசு. உங்களோட ஏஜ் நீங்களே கால்குலேட் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். எப்படி பண்ணலாம்? You can find your age by subtracting your date of birth from today's date. Therefore, age is equal to today's date minus date of birth. Similarly, we can find the validity of a product. Say, ஒரு பொருளோட செல்லுபடியாகும் காலம். From its manufacturing date and expiry date. Manufacturing date அப்படின்னா உற்பத்தியாகும் நாள், expiry dateனா காலாவதியாகும் நாள். இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு பிரெட் பேக்கெட் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா அந்த பிரெட் பேக்கெட்டில் ரேட் போட்டிருப்பாங்க இல்லையா எவ்வளோன்னு, அந்த இடத்துல எப்போ அந்த பிரெட்டு செஞ்சாங்கன்ற ஒரு டேட் இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி எதுக்குள்ளார இந்த பிரெட்டை சாப்பிட்றணும்னு இருக்கும் ஒரு டேட், அது எக்ஸ்பைரி டேட். ஸோ எக்ஸ்பைரி டேட் முடிஞ்ச ஒரு ப்ராடக்டை நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. இட் இஸ் ஹார்ம்ஃபுல், அது உடம்புக்கு கெடுதி. அது சாப்பிட்ற பொருளாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, பவுடர் இல்லை காஸ்மெட்டிக் பொருளாகவும் இருந்தாலும் சரி, வேறு எந்த வகையான பொருளாக இருந்தாலும் எக்ஸ்பைரி டேட் முடிஞ்சு நம்ம அதை யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஸோ ஒரு பொருள் எவ்வளவு நாளைக்கு நம்ம வேலிடாக இருக்குது யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு அப்படின்றத கண்டுபிடிக்க தான் யூ கோயிங் டு ஃபைண்ட் த சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் பிட்வீன் expiry date and the manufacturing date. We have already seen about subtraction. But what is special in subtraction of dates? There are few rules to be followed while subtracting dates. The first rule is to write the bigger year date in the top and the smaller year date in the bottom and then subtract. Second rule is to write the dates in YYYY.mm.dd format, that is year, month and date format before subtraction. Subtraction can be done as usual if the numbers on the top are higher than the numbers on the floor. But if the numbers on the top are smaller than the numbers on the floor, then we need to borrow from the next column, right? அப்படி பாரோ பண்ணும்போது நார்மல் சப்ட்ராக்ஷனில் நம்ம ஒரு டென்ஸை பாரோ பண்ணிப்போம், ரைட்? பட் இதில் நம்ம எப்படி பாரோ பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா ஒரு மந்த்தையோ இல்லை ஒரு இயரையோ பாரோ பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ வி ஹாவ் டு ரிமெம்பர் 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 or 28 or 29 days depending on the month. And 1 year is equal to 12 months. இந்த ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட்டையும் நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும் before subtracting dates. Let me solve and show you how to subtract dates. Subtraction of dates. The manufacture date and the expiry date is given. We are going to find out the product's validity, which is equal to expiry date minus manufacture date. The most important rule is to write the dates that we are going to subtract in this format, year, month and date format. Always we need to write the biggest year on the top in the format year, month and date. அதே மாதிரி manufacturing date எழுதிக்கிறேன் year, month and date formatல. Now we are going to subtract the dates. Shall we start subtracting? When we subtract it, we get the product's validity. 18 minus 15 is equal to 3, right? Similarly, 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Very good. 9 minus 7 is 2. Therefore, the product is valid for 2 years, 2 months and 3 days. மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ண டேட்லேருந்து இந்த ப்ராடக்ட்டை 2 years, 2 months and 3 daysக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலான்னு அர்த்தம். Now, using the same subtraction operation, Let us calculate age. Here I am going to calculate my age. I have taken my date of birth. I was born on 3rd January 1989. I have also written today's date, 7th September 2020. Right? Now to calculate my age, I have to subtract date of birth from today's date. That is, age is equal to today's date minus date of birth. Age is equal to today's date minus date of birth. So I have written both the dates in the format year, month and date. This format is important. So I am writing the highest date, today's date on the top, and the smallest year, date on the bottom, in the same format. Now we are going to subtract. If we subtract these two dates, you will get my age. இந்த ரெண்டு டேட்டையும் subtract பண்ணா என்னோட age கிடைச்சிரும். Now shall we start subtracting? Yes. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Very good. 0. And 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 0. Now we cannot subtract 9 from 0. So we are borrowing 1 from the next position. So 0 becomes 10 and 2 becomes 1. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Now we cannot subtract 8 from 1. So we are borrowing from next position. But next position is 0. So we are moving to the next position, 2. 2 becomes 1 and 0 becomes 10. Now we can borrow from this 10. 10 becomes 9 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. So, we got the answer. 31 years, 8 months and 4 days is my age, exact age. Now let me show you another complicated example of subtracting dates to find age. Imagine this is the date of birth of a girl. I am going to find her age. So I have written today's date and date of birth. The subtraction of these two is going to give me her age. As we saw before, we need to write the dates in the format YYYY, MM and DD, that is year, month and date format. The highest year on the top and the lowest year on the bottom. Let us start subtracting. We cannot subtract 30 from 7. So, we are going to borrow 1 month from the next section. 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 or 28 or 29 days. Here, the number 9 shows September month. September month has 30 days. So, I am borrowing 1 September month here. So, 9 becomes 8. And I am adding 30 days to the day section. So, 30 plus 7 is equal to 37. Now you can subtract it easily. 37 minus 30 is 7. Right? Very good. Now we can see that we cannot subtract 12 from 8. So I am borrowing from the years section. If we get into the years section, the first digit is 0. So we cannot borrow from 0. So obviously we are going to the next position. 2 becomes 1 and 0 becomes 10. And again borrowing from 10. 10 becomes 9 and 1 year is equal to 12 months. So I am adding 12. 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. Now 20 minus 12 is equal to 8. Very good. Now we can subtract the years. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 and 1. Very good. So 11 years, 8 months and 7 days is the age of the girl. Now kindly complete the activity, children. Call me immediately for any doubts. Thank you.